Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with progression, 10th class progression, exercise 6.3. Two problems I have already learned. Now third problem. In an AP, given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50, find N and Sn. So first we will find out N. AN is given as 50. That means what? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 50. Here a they have given 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 3 is equal to 50. That means n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 50 minus 5. N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 45. So what is n minus 1? N minus 1 is 45 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fives are. So 15. So n minus 1 is equal to 15 means n is equal to 15 plus 1, that is 16. So n is equal to 16 is one answer that we have done. Now we need to find out Sn. Sum to n terms. Since last term an is given, we can find out it by using the formula n by 2 into a plus an. Last term is also called an. N is how much we have got? 16. So 16 by 2 into what is a? 5 plus what is an? 50. So 16 by 2 into 55. 2 ones are 2 8s are 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 44. 44. So n is equal to 16. Sum to n terms is equal to 440 is the answer for this problem, children. So let me explain you once again. A is 5, D is 3, AN is 50. You need to find out N and Sn. AN is 50, they have already given. AN formula is A plus N minus 1 into D is 50. So A is 5. 5 plus N minus 1 into D is 50. So N minus 1 into D is plus 5 and it goes here minus 5. So n minus 1 into d is 45. N minus 1 is 45 by 3, that is 15. N minus 1 is 15. So n is equal to 15 minus 1 when it comes here plus 1, that is 16. Now we need to find out sum to n terms. Since last term an is nothing but last term. So since last term is given, the formula is n by 2 into a plus an. N is 16 we have got just now. 16 by 2 into a is 5 they have given plus an is 50. 16 by 2 is 8. 8 into 55, 440. So sum to n terms is 440 and n is 60. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Second bit, children. They have given a is 7, A13 is 35. You have to find D and S13. So, what is A13? A13 is 35. What is the formula for A13? A plus 12D is equal to 35. In this, A is 7 plus 12D is equal to 35. So, what is 12D? 35 minus 7. That means 7 means 8 and this is 2. 28. 12D is equal to 28 you will be getting. What is D? 28 by 12. 4 3s are 4 7s are. So D is equal to 7 by 3 we got. Now after getting D, the next part is we need to find out S13. S13 is how much is the question. We know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into what is A? A is 7 plus n is 13 minus 1 into d we got it here 7 by 3. This is nothing but 13 by 2 into 2 sevens are 14 plus 12 into 7 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. That means 13 by 2 into 14, 3 fours are 14 plus 4. 4 into 7, sorry. 4 into 7 is there here. 4 sevens are 28. That means 13 by 2 into 4 plus 8, 12, 42. That means 2 twos are 2 ones are. So you are getting its value as 13 into 21. That is 13 ones are 13, 26 1, 27, 273. So the problem is you have to find out D. D is 7 by 3 and S 13 is 273. These two are the answers for this bit, children. So let me give you one more explanation for it. Now A is given 7, A 13 is 35, D and S 13 you have to find out. A 13 is 35, which means A plus 12D is equal to 35, 7 plus 12D is equal to 35, 12D is equal to 35 minus 7, so 12D is equal to 28. If 12D is equal to 28, D is 28 by 12, that is 7 by 3. So D is equal to 7 by 3. We have got a D value. Now S13. S13 means what? Sn is equal to, for general formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into a is 7 plus n is 13 minus 1 into 7 by 3. So 13 by 2 into 2 sevens are 14 plus 13 minus 1 is 12 into 7 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So 13 by 2 into 14 plus 4 sevens are 28. So 13 by 2 into 14 plus 28, 8 plus 4, 12, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 42. So 2 into 21, 2 21s are 42. So 13 into 21 we have got. 13 into 21 is 273. So D is 273. Sum to n terms is, D is 7 by 3 and S13 is 273 is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now third bit, children. Given A is equal to 12, D is equal to 3, find A and S12. A12. A12 is equal to 37 they have given. A12 means A plus 11D is equal to 37. That is A we don't know, but 11 into D is 3 is equal to 37. That means A plus 33 is equal to 37. Now we need to find out A. A is equal to 37 plus it goes there minus 37 minus 33. That is 4. So A is equal to 4 I have got. Now after getting A, they are asking to find out sum to 12 terms. Sum to 12 terms is how much is the question? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. So sum to 12 terms, 12 by 2 into 2 into a. I got a here as 4. So 2 into 4 plus n is 12 minus 1 into d. D is 3. That is equal to 2 ones are 2 6 are I can do 6 into 2 fours are 8 plus 11 into 3. That means 6 into 8 plus 33. That is 6 into 8, 11, 41. So 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 26, 24. 6 fours are 24. So 246 is the value we have got. So the problem is asking you to find out A. Therefore, A is equal to 4 and S12 is equal to 246. These two are the answers for this problem, children. So let me explain you once again. So here in this problem they have given A12 37, D3. You have to find A and S12. A12 37 means A plus 11D is 37. That is A plus 11 into D is 3 is equal to 37. A plus 33 is equal to 37. A is plus 33. When it goes there, minus 33. So 37 minus 33 is 4. So A value you have got 4. Now we want to sum to 12. General formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into 4 plus 12 minus 1. N is 12. 12 minus 1 into d. That is, I have divided here to 6 into 2 4s are 8 plus 12 minus 1 11 into 3. So 6 plus 6 into 8 plus 33. 6 into 41, that is 246. So A is equal to 246 and S12 is A is equal to 4 and S12 is equal to 246 are the answers for this bit, children. Please note it down. Now fourth sum, children. Given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125, you have to find D and A10. So A3 is equal to 15 means A plus 2D is equal to 15. Now, for further calculation, you don't have A value, you don't have D value. So, you cannot continue this. So, take it as first equation. Now, the second thing is S10 is equal to 125 they have given. S10 means what? General formula. Sn is equal to 2a plus Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the general formula. No? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the general formula. So here S10 they have given. S10 is equal to n is 10, 10 by 2 into 2a plus we don't know what is D, what is A. So we will be writing it as n is 10 minus 1 into D as it is. S10 value they have given 125. So 125 is equal to 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 into 2a plus 9d. So what is 2a plus 9d? It is nothing but 125 by 5 multiplication when it is goes here division. 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 5s are. So 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. You are getting another equation. These two equations you have to take, children. A plus 2d is equal to 15 is one equation. 2a plus 9d is equal to 25 is another equation. So we need to solve these two to find A and D. So let us continue our problem here. See here, first equation is having A plus 2D. Second equation is 2A plus 9D. 2A plus 9D. So here either A or D, nothing. Neither A nor D are equal. So what you need to do? Either A you have to make it equalize or D you have to make it equalize. This is solving the problems. Already you have done it in your previous class, children. So I will equalize A. How? By multiplying first equation by 2 and subtracting second equation. So first equation into 2 minus second equation I will do. So first equation into 2, 2a plus this is 2d, 2 2s are 4d is equal to 15 2s are 30. So first equation into 2, second equation is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. So when you are subtracting it, this, what are you getting here? Minus d, minus 5d is equal to 5 you are getting. So what is d, children? Here d is 5 by minus 5. How much are you getting? 5 ones are. This is d is minus 1 we got. After getting d value as minus 1, substitute this d in any one of the equations. So I will take a plus first equation, a plus 2d is equal to 15. So a plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15, that is a minus 2 is equal to 15. So what is a, children? 15 plus 2 minus 2, when it goes here 15, that is 17. Therefore a value I have got 17. Now they are asking first d, so d is minus 1 I got. Now I need to find out a10. What is a10? A10 is equal to A plus 9D. A, how much I have got? 17 plus 9 into D is minus 1. So 17 minus 9, that is 8. Therefore, the question is D. D is equal to minus 1 and A10 is equal to 8. These two are the answers for this problem, children. So let me explain you once again. So here in this problem, they have given A3 value 15, S10 value 125. You need to find out D and A10. So A3 is 15. A plus 2D is 15. What is A or what is D? Did they give? They have not given anything. So we cannot continue with this equation. So consider it as the first equation. Next they have given S10 is 125. Now Sn formula, general formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S10 is nothing but here 10, here n is a 10. So 10 by 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. So the S10 value 125. So I have taken 125 is equal to 5 into 2a plus 90. I send this 5 here. So 2a plus 90 is 125 by 5, that is 25. This is second equation. Now if I solve these two equations, I can get D as well as A, because I need A to find out A10 also. So both A and D values are required. So here first equation has got A and 2 plus 2D. Here 2A plus 90. So nothing is equal. No coefficient is equal. So I wanted to make A coefficient of A as equal. So first equation I have multiplied by 2 and I have subtracted the second equation. So A into 2, 2A plus 2 2s are 4D is equal to 15 2s are 30. That is the equation. Second equation 2A plus 9D is 25. So on solving it, I got minus 5D is equal to 5. D is equal to 5 by minus 5, that is minus 1 I got. D value minus 1 I got. So I am substituting this D value in this. A plus 2D is 15. So A plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15. So A minus 2 is equal to 15. So what is A? 15 plus 2, that is 17. So A value is 17. On getting A value is 17, I need to find out A10. A10 is A plus 90. So A is 17. We have got A value as 17 plus 9 into D value is minus 1. I have taken 17 minus 9 is 8. So these are the answers for this problem, children. D is minus 1 and A10 is 8. These are the solutions for the problem, children. Please note it down. Now, fifth sum, children. Fifth sum, you need to find out an. A is given, D is given, Sn is given. You have to find n and an. Nth term, what is n? N value and an value you need to find out. So here we have no term given, only first term is given, A. So we cannot use D in this formula. So let us take this one only, that is Sn is equal to 90. Sn is equal to 90. What is Sn formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Its value is 90. N we don't know. So n by 2 into 2 into a we know 2 plus n minus 1 into d we know 8 is equal to 90. So let me send this 2 here. N into 4 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to 180. What did I do? 2 when I send it here, 90 into 2 is 180. That means 4n plus 8n square minus 8n is 180. That means 8n square minus n by 2 into, okay, 8n square minus n into, see, 8n plus 4n minus 8n. How much you will be getting? You will be getting minus 4n is equal to 180. 8n square plus 4n minus 8n. Here what I did, I can write minus 4 directly. Otherwise, I'll do it like that only. That will be easy for you to understand. So, let me do it like that here. So, this is n into 8n minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4 is equal to 180. That means 8n square minus 4n is equal to 180. Same way, what we have got earlier, the same answer here we have got it. That means 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal to 0. So in this, which one I can take a common, children? So all these can be cancelled by 4. So let me take 4 as common. 4 is common. 2n square minus n minus 4 4s are 16, 2 4 5s are 20 is equal to 0. So basing on that, when I send 4 here, I will be getting a quadratic equation. So in this quadratic equation, what am I getting? I am getting 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. What did I do? I sent this 4 here, 0 by 4 is 0 only. So here I have to split the middle term. 45 2s are 90 minus 90. See, 45 into 2 is 90. 45 is having minus sign. So minus 90. I should have the two terms definitely. One is minus and one is plus, because product should be minus, means one is minus, one is plus, and I should have two factors in such a way that if I add minus n, I should get minus n, in the sense minus 1 I should get, and multiply on multiplying minus 90. It is nothing but 10 nines are. So if I add, I'll get minus 1. So that is a perfect what the bifurcation of the number. So splitting the middle term. So this means, what am I getting here? 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. So in these two, 2n is common. So n minus 5 I have got, plus 9 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. So 2n plus 9 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. So if n minus 5 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 5. If 2n plus 9 is equal to 0, then I will get if 2n plus 9. So 2n is equal to minus 9, n is equal to minus 9 by 2. But n is negative, we can't take negative. So we have to take n as 5. So n is equal to 5 we have got. Negative values we cannot take for n. So n is equal to 5 we have got. So after getting n value as 5, what is the next question? Find n and an they are asking. An means what? A5. An here is nothing but A5. A5 is A plus 4D. What is A value? A value is 2 plus 4 into what is D value? That is 8. That is 2 plus 32. That is 34. Therefore, we have got n value as 5 and an is equal to 34. These two are the answers for this bit, children. So let me explain you once again. Here a is given 2, D is given 8, sum to n terms is given 90. You need to find out n and an. So sum to n terms is 90. We have to take this only to solve the problem. Sum to n terms general formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That means how much, children? This is equal to 90 they have already given. So n by 2 into a is given as 2 plus n minus 1 into d is 8 is 90. So I send this 2 here. 2 into division becomes multiplication. So 2 into 90 is 180. So n into 2 2s are 4 plus 8 into n. 8n minus 8 is equal to 180. So n into 8n plus 4 minus 8 is minus 4 is equal to 180. That means 8n square minus 4n is 180. 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is 0. I have got a quadratic equation. So in this, I can take 4 as common because 4, every term can be divisible by 4. So I have got 4 into 4 2s are 8, 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. So when I send this 4 here, it will be 0 by 4 is anyway 0. So I have got now the simplified quadratic equation 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. So I need to split the middle term. Already you have done in quadratic equations, children. Just as a recollection, I have done once again minus 45 into 2, that is minus 90. I should bifurcate this minus 90 into two factors in such a way that when I add them, I should get minus 1. N means minus 1 only. When I multiply, I should get minus 90. So if I take 10 and 9, minus 10 and plus 9, if I add them, I am getting minus 1. If I am multiplying, I am getting minus 90. So this is the perfect bifurcation. So 2n square minus 10n plus 9 minus 45 is equal to 0. In these two, 2n is common. 2n into n minus 5 plus in these two 9 is common. 9 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. So 2n plus 9 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. If n minus 5 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 5. If 2n plus 9 is equal to 0, then 2n is equal to minus 9 and n is minus 9 by 2. But we cannot take negative values as n. So we don't take this. We will take only n as 5. So we have got n as 5. Now the problem is you need to find out A5. The question is an they are asking. An means what? We have got n value as 5 now. So an means here A5 you have to find out. A5 is A plus 4D. A plus 4 into D is 8. That is 34 we have got, children. I hope I am clear. Please note it down. Now sixth bit, children. Given an is 4 and d is 2, you need to find out, and also Sn is minus 14. You have to find out n and a. So an is equal to 4. What is an? An plus means a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. That means we don't know a plus n minus 1 into d is 2 is equal to 4. That means a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. A plus 2n is equal to 4 plus 2. A plus 2n is equal to 6. You consider this as equation 1 because you cannot go further because you don't have any other value. You need to find out n as well as you need to find out a. So we cannot proceed with it. So now let us go for the next part. What is the next one they have given? They have given sum to n terms is minus 14. Sum to n terms formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 14. That means n by 2 into 2a, we don't know a, plus n minus 1 into, we know only d value, that is 2, is equal to minus 14. That means n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 14. So here children, when I send this n here, what am I getting? N into 2 here, 2n into 2a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 28. Up to here, I can solve continuously in this way. But here, if I need to proceed this equation, a is obstructing me. I cannot proceed. If I have something in A in terms of n, I can do it. This is possible only when I take this first equation. So, from equation 1, what is this? A plus 2n is equal to 6. We can write A as 6 minus 2n. So, in the place of a, I can substitute 6 minus 2n. So, let me continue this here. That is, what is that I have got? N into 2a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 28. That means n into 2 into, in the place of a, 6 minus 2n plus 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 28. That means n into 2 into 6, 12, plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4n, plus 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 28. That means n into minus 4n plus 2n is minus 2n, plus 12 minus 2 is plus 10, is equal to minus 28. That means minus 2n square plus 10n is equal to minus 28. Means minus 2n square plus 10n minus 28, when it comes here, plus 28 is equal to 0. But usually children, in quadratic equation, we don't, we need to change this minus in the first term into plus. This, if you want to change it into plus, we need to multiply each and every sign by minus. This sign, this sign, this sign, all, because only this I can't do plus, and the remaining, if I leave it as it is not the proper method, children. We are not supposed to do anything. If you want, for your convenience sake, you are changing. So whatever change that you are doing, it should be done for each and every term. So here, when I multiply it by minus, so that I can make it plus, I should multiply this also by minus, I should multiply this also by minus. So simply the signs will change. That means 2n square minus 10n minus 28 is equal to 0. So in all these cases, 2 is common. 2 into n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. That means when I send it to here, it is 0. That means I have got n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. One quadratic equation is a simplified form I have got. So let me continue the other part of it. So see children, n square minus 5n minus 14. Again I am writing so that splitting is easy. So here minus 14, I should split minus 14 n square. Already I have explained you how it has to be done. So 14 means 7 twos are. I can take 7 minus 2 is 5. So n square minus 7n plus 2n. So that plus into minus is minus, 7 twos are 14, and minus 7n plus 2n is 5n is equal to, minus 14 is equal to 0. So n into n minus 7 plus 2 into n minus 7 is equal to 0. That means n plus 2 into n minus 7 is equal to 0. If n plus 2 is equal to 0, then n is equal to minus 2, and if n minus 7 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 7. So the question is we need to find out n. So we should take n as positive 7. We cannot take negative. So we have taken n as 7. If n is 7, we want a. I can substitute here, children. A is equal to 6 minus 2n we have got. A is equal to 6 minus 2n. That is 6 minus 2 into 7. So 6 minus 14, that is minus 8. Therefore, n is equal to 7, a is equal to minus 8. These are the answers for this bit, children. So let me explain you once again how this problem has to be done. What they have given, an is 4 they have given, and d value is 2 they have given. Now we need to find out, even Sn is given as minus 14. We need to find out n and a. So first I have taken an is equal to 4. We know an general formula, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. So a plus n minus 1 into d value 2 they have given is equal to 4. So a plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. So a plus 2n is equal to 4, minus 2 when it goes here, plus 2. So a plus 2n is equal to 6. That means what we have got? We have got an equation. We cannot proceed with it because we don't know a, we don't know n. So leave it as it is. It will be useful for the other purposes. Now let us take this. Sn is equal to minus 14. General formula of Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is minus 14. N value we don't know, so n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 2 is equal to 14. So n by 2 into 2a plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 14. So n into 2a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 2, I have sent it here, minus 28. So here, see children, after this I am blocked. I can't do again. Why? This a is obstructing me. I cannot proceed. So what do? I have to go to this equation. A plus 2n is equal to 6. So on taking this equation 1, what did I do? I have converted a in terms of n. A is equal to 6 minus 2n. So here, where a is there, I have substituted a with 6 minus 2n. So that n into 2 6 are 12 minus 2 2s are 4n plus 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 28. That is n into, see, minus 4n plus 2n is minus 2n plus 12 minus 2 is plus 10 is equal to minus 28. That is minus 2n square plus 10n is minus 28, or minus 2n square plus n minus plus 28. Minus 28 when it comes here, plus 28 is equal to 0. So I wanted to make this as plus, so I have changed all the signs. 2n square minus 10n minus 28 is equal to 0. In all these terms 2 is common, so I took it out. N square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0 is the simplest quadratic equation I have got. So I have bifurcated it. That means I have split the middle term. After splitting the middle term, I have got n value. See, n into minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. Minus into plus minus 7 to the 14. That is right. Minus 7 plus 2 minus 5. So my splitting is correct. So in these two, n is common. N into n minus 7 plus 2 into n minus 7 is equal to 0. That means n plus 2 into n minus 7 is equal to 0. If n plus 2 is equal to 0, n is minus 2. If n minus 7 is equal to 0, n is 7. We can't take negative values, so we are taking positive, n is equal to 7. Now we have got n. This question n, we have already got it. Now we need the other question is a. But here you see children, a is equal to 6 minus 2n. On this first equation we have simplified in this way. So I am taking this equation, a is equal to 6 minus 2n, that is 6 minus 2 into n is 7, 6 minus 14 minus 8. So n is equal to 7 and a is equal to minus 8 are the answers for this problem children. Please note it down. Now, seventh bit children, L last term is given 28. L is given as 28 and S is 144. S means what children? Sum of that terms. And what that they have given? Number of terms is equal to 9. What does this implies? N is equal to 9. So that means yes, sum of the terms means yes, 9 is equal to 144. So S9 is 144 means we know that general formula of Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L we will be taking. Last term they have already given. So we need S9 they have given. S9 formula is what children? 9 by 2 into a plus last term. What is last term? 28. So what is S9? 144 is equal to 9 by 2 into a plus 28. So this can be written as a plus 28 is equal to 144 into 2 by 9. When this goes this side, from right side to the left side, we have to give the reciprocal. We have to take the reciprocal. So 9 ones are 9, 5, 9 6 are 54. So a plus 28 is equal to 2 6 are 12, 18 1 19, 192. So what is a? 192 minus 28. So from 192, if you subtract 28, you are getting 4 here and 8 minus 2 is 6 and 1. 164. So A is equal to 164 is the answer children. Only this they have asked you to find out. So you can find out in this way. So let me explain you this children. In this last term they have given 28. Some of the terms as 144 they have given and there are total 9 terms. They said number of terms 9. Number of terms 9 means yes, n is 9. N is 9 means what? Yes, 9 is 144. The meaning of it is yes, 9 is 144. Sn general formula. I am taking this formula because the last term they have given n by 2 into a plus l. So S9 is equal to n. We have got it 9. 9 by 2 into a plus last term is 28. So the S9 value they have given 144 is equal to 9 by 2 into a plus 28. That means a plus 28 is equal to 144. 9 into 9 by 2, when it goes here reciprocal 2 by 9, that is a plus 28 is 192. I have got 96 into 2 is 192. So a is 192 minus 28. When you do 164. So the value of a is 164 children. Please note it down. So with this, I am concluding my part today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.